Hello there. This document and video are hopefully going to help you answer any questions that you have about the semester one links document and assignment. I know that it's clunky and it's a little bit confusing, and I have learned that, so I apologize, and I appreciate your patience and your diligence and your hard work that you've been trying to put into this. So hopefully this will help in the next few days when you're working on it. So the goal of this assignment and related document is to start using your PLP and continue using your PLP. In a normal year, I would have had a list that says in your PLP you should have X, Y, Z, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C done. But because of technology and access issues, everybody's in a super different place with their PLP, with technology, with if their technology lets them get into their PLP, all that stuff. So that gets us to the reason for this document, is to make sure that everybody's able to access and work through it. So everyone's able to access and do the work that the PLP coordinators are asking advisors and the Ninth Grade Academy teachers to help you do. So that no matter if you're in your PLP or if you're in the document, you can still get the work done, so that you don't come to your semester 2 classes or your sophomore year or something and have somebody be like, what the heck, where is all this stuff? And then you'd be like, oh my god, I don't know, panic, overwhelm. Those are terrible feelings. So the purpose of this is to try and avoid that. Although it may not seem like it right now. Sorry. So everything from this semester 1 links assignment and document is pulled from your PLP. So evidence for classes, under the PLP pieces, there's an about me, my profile, 5-year vision, 10-year vision, class pages, etc. There are a lot of numbers under the PLP pieces section that ask if you have a page created, like for English 9 or Science 9 or Algebra 1 or Global Studies. So what that means is, do you have a specific page for that class created in your PLP? So that you can click on those words under the My Coursework and it'll bring you to an entirely brand new page just for English 9 or just for Global Studies. This specific class page is where you store your standards, your evidence, your work, all that stuff. So everything in this document comes from the PLP. It's all stuff that we have asked you to do, or you will be asked to do as our year progresses. So it's not just coming out of nowhere. This one's really important. You'll notice it's in this blue color, a slightly different color. You can work through this in the document or in your PLP. That is entirely a personal choice based on your preferences and or your access. If you have an iPad, it's probably not going to be as accessible or as convenient to do it in your PLP. So you could do it in this document. But again, it's up to you. Either place. But if you complete this document, or if you complete this in the document, you will need to, at some point, transfer this information into your PLP. So if you are typing away in a document with this information, at some point you're going to need to copy and paste into the appropriate sections of your PLP. If you complete the work in the PLP, that is fine. But you will need to, in your document, type, it's in my PLP, and share your PLP with me so that I can see it, if it is not already shared with me. You also may have done some sections of the PLP already, and so you may have worked on the About Me or the My Profile or your 5-year vision. That's fine. You're just going to need to, in the document, say it's in my PLP and make sure your PLP is shared with me. So I hopefully this was helpful and a little bit clarifying for some of the clunkier questions or the things that didn't quite make sense. I know it's a lot. It might feel overwhelming. I'm sure that it seems very kind of redundant, but trying my best to make this work accessible to everybody so that you end the semester in a good place, and you're in a good place for the rest of your freshman year and then moving on through the rest of high school.